Hi everybody, Kavon is here, and today I would like to tell you about my very first album with songs, because I have another albums that were like previous before that album, but they were instrumental albums, and this is Kavoni, We Are the Stars. You can find it on Spotify or Apple Music or wherever you want, and this is my first album with songs, so where I'm singing. And this year it will be 10 years anniversary from the release of this album, so it's a long period of time, and I've never done anything from the point of view of marketing or something like that. So I've never normally explained these albums. I was so concentrated on just making the music all the time. So this year will be different, and I decided to promote my very first album and then go just like year by year, because I have like all in all around 26 albums so far. Somebody's on my roof, as I understood. Okay, I will try not to pay lots of attention to the sounds. We will try, yeah? Okay, so first of all, yes, you will have like the series of videos about We Are the Stars albums in the future, and also I will talk about, beside this type of the videos, I will talk about my favorite albums, vinyl albums, like or vinyl, vinyl, yes, I forgot the pronunciation. So, and a bunch of other stuff, but I will be concentrated on We Are the Stars for some time. So actually it was a very special time for me, because we've been making this album with my friends, and the process of recording the stuff, it's been like around the week, and that's all, just the week. Before that, before the gathering with friends and making the music, I had some demos, and as I remember, I had maybe the only one demo. It was like Follow, the third track from this album, and maybe that's all. Like all other tracks we've made during the week. So, and I've been making the music and the lyrics, and I've been singing and mixing and recording the stuff, but my friends also helped me with the lyrics for different songs, for several songs. And also on one track, The Last Kiss, my friend Andron Labukhov was singing, so it's cool. And also it's a very special album for me, because it was like, when I've been making this album, I had a feeling that it would be like something extremely special and huge, and so to say, I don't know, it would be like the album of the year or something like that. Super epic, super good, super fantastic. And I didn't care about my zero experience in recording and mixing and mastering. So I've been learning step by step, and we've been using just the very basic type of the microphones and instruments, like everything that we had in those moments. So it's a very cheap album anyway, from the point of view of instruments, from the point of view of all the stuff, but not cheap at all from the point of view of senses and thoughts and philosophy that we had there. So absolutely fantastic work, and it's so good to recall all these memories connected with the albums, and I would like to tell you lots of stuff about each song, like also step by step, like video by video, because every song is, of course, also is extremely special for me. The another interesting thing about this album, that I've completely lost all the projects from this album. In those moments, my cat broke down the HDD, external hard drive that I had, and somehow I had all the projects on this hard drive, and also I had the copies of my projects on my laptop, but it also got broken. So this is, I mean, We Are the Stars is the only album that I have that doesn't have anything from the point of view of projects. I can't come back to this album at all. I just have the files, in WAV and MP3. That's all. That's all that I have. All other albums that I've done, I have with the projects. I have minus versions, I mean instrumental tracks without vocals. I have lots of stuff like demos and everything. But this is like, these were completely lost from the point of view of projects. So it is what it is. I cannot change it. I cannot remaster it. Maybe I can a little bit, but just, basically it is what it is. And for me, it's like a, photo snap of the epoch, for me, of the year that we've been making all this stuff, of the moment. And also, that's why it's so freaking special. I really hope that you will go to Spotify or Apple Music, Yandex Music, or whatever. Like, you can find it on YouTube on my channel too, and listen to this album. Of course, it's not so good from the point of view of like sound itself. It's not so maybe clean or something, but I don't know. Believe me, it's very difficult to find now the album where like people could put so much soul, so much, I don't know, effort and everything, so much love into the work. Absolutely amazing stuff. So check it and leave the comments about this album below. Like several weeks we will talk about it a lot, and I will make the shorts and everything, so just stay tuned. Yeah, and I hope you will enjoy it.